Leaders often ask if a visual refresh and strategic transformation are the same. They are linked, but not identical. Think of a visual refresh as the packaging. It attracts attention, whereas strategic transformation is the core. It drives growth. Confuse them and you risk misaligned efforts, missed opportunities, and lost trust. Many leaders assume a visual refresh will fix perception and unlock growth. On the surface, it feels harmless. After all, it is fast, visible, and easy to brief. But here's the catch. That assumption hides a deeper misalignment, one that quietly impacts growth, trust, and decision-making. So you treat symptoms while the cause remains untouched. The risks of this tend to show up in 3 different ways. Firstly, you spend on design, yet win rates lag because your offer remains unclear or undifferentiated. You also see price pressure because buyers cannot justify paying more. Secondly, teams fill gaps with their own stories, creating inconsistent choices and slow execution. And thirdly, customers sense a mismatch, colleagues doubt direction, and confidence erodes inside and out. External narratives drift from your reality and rumors fill the gap. Individually, they look like symptoms, but together they compound. In our experience, a better reframe is to treat identity as the last mile of strategy, not the strategy itself. On its own, it's a useful lens, but the real power comes when you apply it to your current stage of growth. Applied at thresholds like market entry, acquisition integration, proposition shifts, or leadership change, it guides scope and depth. Think market repositioning, new territories, product expansion, or a shift in revenue model. In those moments, identity follows strategy and behavior, not the other way around. In practice, leaders who adopt this framing often see 3 shifts. They see clear positioning improving price confidence, pipeline quality, and campaign performance across markets. They also see teams align on choices, processes tighten, and governance becoming simpler to uphold. And lastly, they see messages matching reality. Credibility strengthens with customers, partners, and current or future talent. The difference is tangible. What once looked like semantics becomes a lever for clarity and momentum. So the key takeaway is when organizations truly grasp the reframe around identity as strategy's last mile, it becomes a tool for focus, alignment, and growth that compounds over time.